Hello? Welcome to this video. This is a strong adhesive that sticks well on its own, but we want to mix it with some powders and different materials to see which one sticks better. Stay with us until the end of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started with our test.
برای تست گچ، پنبه، سیمان و یک دستمال کاغذی آوردم. بریم که مراحل تست رو ببینیم. مطمئنم که از نتیجه آخر شگفت زده میشید. جانم؟ ببخشید. وات؟ خدا وکیلی؟ نه گاد وکیلی. الان من چسب دادم اینو. ای قربون بچه های با معرفت، کانال رو سابسکرایب، ویدیو رو لایک و زنگوله کانال رو هم فعال کنید. هیچ منتی نیست بچه ها، دمتون گرم.
You didn't have to cut me off like that. Come with a price. She's smiling, but that may just be a disguise. I wanna say hi, but I'm scared she'll kill me. Could we? Will we? Would she? Probably not. But I don't care. 'Cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance.
faces, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibition, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you.
Thank you so much for being with us in the last video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask. I love you all, and until the next video, take care.